5 kilometers, and then Ntshonalanga kweSpeedway 1.3. Lapha lingakhangela liyayibona ilevel ngu-920 lapha, so lowest level lapha is about 916 up until 970. 916 to 970 is 54 meters. From the lowest point to the highest point, 54 meters. 54 degradation ukuba le Speedway eceleni ezagebha inkalakatha ye-trench umfula. iSpeedway ikhona phana phakathi komfula. And iSpeedway isitayile esihle njalo. Yeah, isitayile esihle, i-arch, so into enhle kakhulu. Right. And then ngapha yumbundu wedam, right? Leyo inhlabathi iba le riprap ku upstream. I-riprap leyo ngamatshe lana amakhulu avika ukuthi amanzi angalimazi umduli. I-core trench hayi kuyinto enhle kakhulu. Yeah. And highest point lapha of the earth walls about 40 meters, Innocent?
Yes.
Yeah, about 40 meters.